To work a knit front and back increase, which is KFB, knit into the stitch in the regular way. So go in, yarn over, pull through the loop, but then don't drop that stitch, the old stitch, from the needle. Instead, hold on to the new stitch and bring your needle tip around the left needle and into the back of that first stitch on the needle. Knit again, and this time pull it through the loop and off the needle. So now I've created 2 stitches where 1 stitch was before. I've also created a little bar at the base of the increased stitch. We'll talk about that more in a minute. Let me do that again. Let me knit another stitch. I'm going to knit front and back into the next to the last stitch this time. Go in, yarn over, pull through, but don't drop the stitch from the needle. Instead, hold on to the new stitch and the old stitch. Bring your needle tip around to the back, knit into the back of the stitch. So I'm knitting front and back, and then pulling it through. I'll knit the last stitch, and then I'll show you how to do this if you hold your yarn in the left hand. To knit front and back with the yarn held in the left hand, I'll do the same thing I did with the yarn held in the right hand. Go into the stitch, knit the stitch, but don't pull the old stitch off the needle. Instead, knit into the back of the stitch, pull the yarn through, and drop the old stitch off. Let's do that again. I'm going to knit to the last 2 stitches. Go in, knit the stitch, but don't drop the old stitch. Work around the back, knit to the back of the stitch, and then drop off both. I'll knit the last stitch. Let's take a minute to look at this carefully. You can see that all of these increases I've done have left a little horizontal bar at the base of that second stitch. That's because when I knit in the front and back, that is a feature of this increase. I can use this to my advantage if I want it to be a decorative increase, and I don't mind that that little bar shows. Two stitches left, knit front, knit back, and knit the last stitch. Take a look at this little bias garter stitch sample I have here. I've been using knit front and back increases at the end of the rows, so in the next to the last stitch. And because garter stitch is so bumpy, you can't really even see those increases. There's the increase I just made, but the other increases just blend into the fabric. So the knit front and back increase is a wonderful increase to use when you're working in garter stitch or knit every row. If you'd like more knit instruction like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out the links in the video notes for more ways you can find me. Thanks for watching.